All right, let's go to part 2. Really, part 2 is just extra practice, but I want to do one or two, with you before you guys rock and roll. Miss Ramos is the star again. She made 45 copies for her class. She gave out 27 copies to Baylor. After Baylor left, she found 4 copies on the floor. Write an equation to find P, the number of papers that Miss Ramos has now. So I think about it. Okay, this is what she started with. So she's starting with her 45 copies. She gave out 27. So I'm just going to write the word gave. But then I see that she found 6. So now that I've kind of created that visual for myself, I can go ahead and put the operations in. Well, if I'm giving something out, I'm going to subtract it. But then when I find something, I get it back. So I get to add it. So P for the number of papers I have is 47 minus 27 plus 6. You can go ahead, press pause, and do numbers 2, number 3, and number 4. When you're done with those, check your work and press play again so we can do number 5 together. Go ahead, press pause. All right, I hope you rocked it out on questions 2, 3, and 4. Let's look at number 5. Miss Dre's library has 3 boxes of books that each have 13 books. Okay, so I'm imagining there's box 1, box 2, box 3, and I have 13 books inside of each box. I also have 2 boxes of books that each have 23. Okay, so here's 2 more boxes with 23 books. I want to find B, the number of books that I have in my library. So I'm really looking for that total. So I'm looking for chapter 1 books plus my second box, which I like to call chapter 2 books. All right, so now we see repeated addition. So multiply 13 times 3. And I see repeated addition as well. So multiply 23 times 2. And there you have B, your total books. Go ahead and try the rest. Make sure you check your answers, rock and roll. Let's talk about math and earn those points.